mind? Who'll take the soul from the earth? Who'll take a leaf and grow it to a tree? Oh, look now, it ain't you or me. Who'll work the field with his hands? Who'll put it back to the plow? It ain't you or me. Don't look now, someone's done your starving. Don't look now, someone's done your praying too. Who'll make the shoes for your feet? Who'll make the clothes that you wear?